Claude can now send email from your account, so it acts, not just advises. Every AI helper so far could only draft and suggest. This week, one quietly crossed into doing. On July 7th, Anthropic upgraded Claude's Microsoft 365 connector. It jumped from read only to full read and write. Claude can now draft, send, and file your email itself. It can create, move, and delete calendar events on its own. It can rewrite your mailbox rules and even your signature. It can build and edit Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files in your drive. It even sorts, labels, and archives what it reads. This is the connector's biggest change since it launched. For years, these assistants stopped at a polished suggestion. Now, the same chat window reaches straight into your live inbox. Nothing here needs a plugin or a single line of code. You just ask, and Claude works inside your real account. Every email it sends is quietly stamped as a bot. A built-in header flags each message as agent-written, so the person receiving it can tell a machine hit send. Anthropic wants that transparency baked in from day one. Picture your Monday 40 unread threads and Claude clearing them before your coffee. It replies, books 3 meetings, and closes the gaps in your calendar. You never touch the keyboard, yet the outbox still filled. If letting an AI hit send makes you a little nervous, let that be your cue to follow, and like before, you hand it the keys. So far, it sounds like a dream hire. It drafts faster than you, and it never forgets a follow-up. It clears the busy work that eats your morning. But this power comes with a button you cannot take back. A real send cannot be recalled like a draft. One wrong name is now a real email in someone's inbox. Claude even refuses any message that carries an attachment, and Microsoft Teams stays locked to read only for now. Before anyone can flip this on, an admin must approve the new powers. The smart move is to grant reading first. Keep the send button dark until you trust its drafts. The line between an assistant and an employee just blurred. Once an AI can act in your name, the question shifts from quality to control. A week ago, Claude learned to finish your work with the laptop closed. Today, it sends mail in your name, and that brief is on screen now. Follow for more agent in your inbox. That's your BlackBoxArt for today.